I've been exploring the Blossom Plant Care app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Blossom is a plant care app aimed at casual to dedicated plant parents who want help identifying plants and staying on top of watering and general care. It focuses on everyday guidance rather than technical horticulture, so it suits beginners and busy users alike. Core features include detailed care info for watering, pruning, propagating, and fertilizing, plus customizable reminders so you don't forget key tasks. The app also offers photo-based plant and disease identification, a water calculator, weather alerts, and extras like growth notes, plant collections, and an AI botanist for tailored treatment tips. In practice, this combination makes it useful for managing many houseplants or a small garden from one place. On the positive side, users highlight the attractive, easy-to-navigate design, clear plant information, and helpful reminder system, especially for larger collections. Many reviewers also appreciate that photo ID and disease diagnosis have improved over time with updates, and that issues like editing reminders were eventually clarified by support. Overall ratings are strong, with a high average score and most reviews falling in the 4 to 5 star range, which suggests most people feel it delivers on its core promise. However, it's not without flaws. Some users report glitches such as screens freezing, the keyboard flickering when searching through My Plants, or occasional problems with photo identification accuracy, especially for less common species. Others mention that certain screens can become unresponsive, forcing them to close and reopen the app, and that not every plant is in the database yet. While support does reply to reviews and encourages people to reach out, a few users feel their specific bugs or usability frustrations have not been fully addressed. From a trust perspective, Blossom is made by an established app developer and uses in-app purchases and subscriptions for premium features like unlimited identification and consultations. You will need to grant access to your camera, photos, notifications, and location for key features to work. So it's worth considering how comfortable you are with that level of access, especially if you prefer to limit app permissions on your phone. Overall, Blossom is a solid choice if you value a visually pleasant, all-in-one place to identify plants, track their care, and receive reminders, and you don't mind occasional glitches or relying on a subscription for full functionality. It's best suited to plant lovers who want structured guidance and are willing to put up with some minor technical hiccups in exchange for convenience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.